Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Magnet. Today we're diving into one of the most popular freelancing platforms out there, Upwork. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, Upwork offers endless opportunities to earn money online. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Upwork. 1. Create a profile. The first step is to create a killer profile on Upwork. Make sure to include detailed information about your skills, experience, and expertise. A complete profile not only showcases your talents, but also increases your chances of getting hired. 2. Choose your niche. Identify your niche and expertise. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, Upwork covers a wide range of categories. Select a niche that you're passionate about and excel in. 3. Build a portfolio. Next, build a strong portfolio showcasing your previous work, projects, or samples related to your chosen niche. Your portfolio acts as a visual resume, allowing clients to assess the quality of your work. 4. Search for jobs. Browse through the available job listings on Upwork and filter them based on your skills and preferences. Apply to jobs that match your expertise and interests. 5. Write winning proposals. Craft personalized and compelling proposals for each job you apply to. Tailor your proposals to address the client's specific needs and demonstrate how you can add value to their project. 6. Communication is key. Maintain clear and prompt communication with clients throughout the hiring process. Respond to messages and inquiries in a professional manner and clarify any doubts they may have. 7. Deliver high-quality work. Once hired, deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon deadline. Meeting or exceeding the client's expectations is crucial for building a positive reputation on the platform. 8. Feedback and reviews. After completing a project, ask clients to leave feedback and reviews on your profile. Positive reviews can enhance your credibility and attract more clients in the future. 9. Grow your business. Continuously improve your skills, expand your portfolio, and seek opportunities to upsell your services to existing clients. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to recurring projects and steady income. 10. Manage finances. Keep track of your earnings, invoices, and payments on Upwork. Set up your preferred payment method to receive funds securely and on time. Keep track of your earnings on Upwork. This includes monitoring the amount earned from completed projects, hourly work, and any bonuses or milestones achieved. Submit invoices for completed work, or use Upwork's automated invoicing system for hourly projects. Ensure that all invoices are accurate and reflect the agreed-upon payment terms. Track payments to ensure they are processed promptly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Upwork. By following these tips and putting in the effort, you can build a successful freelancing career on this platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Magnet for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.